Today we're gonna unbox this Doomo Meter S, which is the second light meter of Doomo's. The first one is the Doomo Meter D. Here we got the light meter, a paper user manual, a USB Type-C cable, some tools like a small screwdriver and screw brackets. Overall, it's very premium and sleek as with other Doomo products. The color is kind of matte or frosted. There's only one button, which is the metering button. You can hear it's very responsive. The feel of the dial is just alright, not too loose, not too tight. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it. First of all, you should put the screw bracket underneath the light meter. You can decide whether it's in the middle or on the left or right, depending on what camera you use. Long press this button for about 5 seconds. You can change the ISO by turning the dial. Once you get the ISO you want, you can press the button again to access the ISO setting. T means we are in shutter priority mode. You can switch to aperture priority by double pressing the button. Long press the button for 2 seconds. You can see a bar appear. It means we are in real-time metering. When this bar disappears, we are in one-time metering mode, which means we need to press the metering button every time we want to meter. There's no button to turn off the light meter, but if you enter sleep mode, if you leave it alone for 20 seconds, it will be powered off completely in 3 minutes. Overall, there are 2 advantages to the Meter S compared with the Meter D. First of all, there's a built-in lithium battery. You can charge it with an Android smartphone cable, so you will not worry about how to find the correct battery. Secondly, you can decide whether it's real-time metering or one-time metering. Sometimes we just prefer one over the other depending on what situation we are in. So having this option gives us more convenience. That's all for today's unboxing video. We're gonna do a testing video of this light meter in the near future, so stay tuned.